Today I want to introduce you to the new RECA 5-in-1 Quintus long nose pliers. Great design, superb grip, nice and lightweight, and a perfect addition to your toolkit to go with the rest of the range you've already had from us. Starting off with the first feature, you've got serrated edges in the nose, so great for gripping onto any material that you wish to apply them to. Come with a crimping facility lower down towards the base of the handle. Again, good application of force there on that side of things. A cutting facility built into the middle of the nose, so nice and sharp and can go through some quite thick wire. And to complement that, you've also got a staggered stripping facility, so 3 different sizes for stripping back your wire casing. The last feature that they do come with is a small squeezing facility at the top, so just to kind of finish off whatever wire you've bonded together, pinch it nice and tight, and that rounds it off. And these also come with a lifetime guarantee.